Good morning, everyone. My name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I was going to talk to you about some of my favorite kind of nude buttery lipsticks. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I just recently got Invisalign and I am on week 3. And it's been a little bit of a challenge. I do have to say, even within 3 weeks of wearing Invisalign, you guys, my teeth really are shifting, so I'm already seeing results. It's just kind of getting used to having, you know, trays in your mouth and learning to talk properly. But one of the funniest things that I wasn't really thinking about was lipstick. So I realize now that as much as I am a foundation hoarder, I'm the same with lipsticks, and I have a gazillion lipsticks, but I'm realizing that I tend to like kind of that berry mauve, a little bit darker lipstick, and it really is not working with my trays. So, or you can wear it, but it literally gets all over you. The other day when I was filming a video, I had it all over my trays but didn't realize it. So I have been wearing lighter lipsticks and I've really been enjoying it, but I don't have a ton in my repertoire. And so of course this gives me an excuse to buy some new lipsticks. But I thought what I would do today is show you some of my favorite kind of creamy, buttery, moisturizing kind of lipsticks that are my favorite. And then as usual, I love the give and take with you guys and would love to hear your favorite kind of creamy, like nudie color. So let's go ahead and dive in. So one of my recent purchases was the MCGRATH Lip Fetish in Blow Up. You guys, you were right. I needed this. It is so pretty, and I'm going to do swatches over here on my arm. But this is described as a wondrous beige, and I'm just going to show you real quick, you guys, because it really turns a little bit pink on my skin tone, which I do not mind whatsoever. And I do have to tell you one thing. It is a beautiful snowy day here in PDX, Portland, Oregon, and we're having a little snow day. The kids are off school, and you're going to laugh because it's literally like 1 inch of snow. But it is absolutely gorgeous out, and kind of fun to have my kiddo home from school playing a little bit. Okay, so we have this. You guys, I really love this formula. Right now I just have on the LUMINIZER sleep mask, but I'm going to just put a little bit of this on, and I just really like the formula. And one thing I'm liking about these guys and thinking of purchasing a few more is that if I didn't have the gloss on, they stick on the lip and they almost give a little bit of a stain, which I'm really enjoying. So I really do not like liquid lipsticks. They just are too drying for my lips, especially for more mature lips. If you guys have a fabulous moisturizing liquid lip that you love, because of course I like the idea of a stain so that I don't need to be worrying about lipstick on my trays. But in general, I have small lips. I tend to like something that's going to be moisturizing and also not show off all of my lines. So anyways, this has been invaluable. Absolutely love it. You guys were right. And I just think that these are just really pretty formula, and I like that little stain. So it's kind of like a balm, but it does give so this isn't super glossy, but it's very moisturizing. Love that. Then I pulled out 2 of my old favorites, and one of them is this YSL. It's one of those VOLUPTE oil lipsticks, and I have it in number 44, which I believe is Nude LAVAILLIERE. So it's a pinkish brown, and you guys, this is just a really pretty, I love this formula. I have several of these lipsticks, and this one, again, we're just gonna put a lot of lipstick on, but I'm finding that the only thing with this kind of one is because it is so, this is called oil in a stick lipstick. I love it, but this one, because it is kind of that oily one, it'll definitely get on my trays. But I'm going for a lighter color, and this is absolutely beautiful. I still love this formula. And then another one that I think is great that is not, it hasn't been transferring onto my Invisalign trays. So if any of you have Invisalign like me, please let me know what you're doing. You guys, this is, I showed this the other day in my NARS one brand tutorial, but this has been an oldie but a goodie, and this is called Cruising. And you know, there was this other shade, they don't make it anymore, but I wondered if anybody had it. It was called Viva Las Vegas, and I loved it. It was from NARS way back in the day, and it was just one of my favorite nudes. So you guys, this is just this pink beige. It's a really pretty color. So that is this NARS in Cruising. And then this is the number 44 in that YSL, and then that's Blow Up. So pretty. But you guys, this one again, I'm liking this formula, and I'm liking it because it's kind of gripping onto my lips. Okay, we'll go with these guys. So another formula of my favorite kind of buttery lipsticks is the CHANTECAILLE Lip Chics. You guys, these are just so pretty, and you know, again, I have it in a darker color. I tend to like these kind of dark berry colors, but again, there's a lot more transfer. So this one, first color, is in Violetta, and it's such a beautiful color. So the reason I love these little CHANTECAILLE lip chics is because they have some, you get some punch out of it, but they're kind of sheer, so they're just so pretty on the lips. And then one that I have pulled out and have been wearing a little bit because it's a lighter one, and you guys, this one is a gorgeous, it's called Tea Rose. And you'll see, it's just this one I can wear because it's lighter colored, and this is Tea Rose. And you guys, is this so pretty? It just is a little step. You can see these ones I'm wearing, mostly all these kind of lighter ones. That gives a little bit more warmth, but again, it has a creamy but balmy texture to it. So again, it kind of grips the lips a little bit. I think that's what I would say with these guys, with my YSL. They're almost a little bit too slippery, and I'm finding that they are transferring really easily. Okay, another one that I love, and you guys, they don't sell this anymore, but they sell a new a new formulation just came out for spring, and it is the Clé de Peau Lip Luminizer. You guys, I recently bought this in a kind of, I forget what number it is, but it doesn't matter because guess what? You can't buy it anymore. They came out with a new refined lip luminizer, and you guys, I do need to go buy one of those, but I kind of felt a little gypped because I literally just bought this and I got another refill, and then like the next week the new spring lip luminizers came out. And you guys, the new ones, you don't have to buy the case, it's all in one. They have some beautiful colors, and if you've tried them, let me know, and let me know what your favorite color is. But you guys, I have been absolutely loving this guy right here, and I want to say it's number 14. It's described as a milky pink, and honestly, I love this for a couple different reasons. Partly because it works fantastic for my small lips as far as application. They're creamy, and one thing I would say about this, and I'm imagining that the new formulation is similar. Although that it is slippery a little bit, it dries down and gives you a little stain. So I would say it was a similar kind of like, this one gives you a little lip stain, this one gives you a little lip stain, and I absolutely love these two. So beautiful. And then I've got a couple other ones. You guys, you've heard this from, I've shown this in other videos, but I classically always am carrying the Chanel COCOSHINE in number 54, which is Boy. You guys, this is like one of my go-to formulas. Again, very similar color to many things that we are about to show you on my arm. This is Boy. Okay, you can kind of see here, hey, it's a little bit different. I would say this one is a little bit more similar to now I'm forgetting which one that is, but oh, that's the NARS Cruising. This is Boy, you guys, and again, I think one thing I like about this, easy to put on, creamy, buttery, glossy, but it grips your lips a little bit. I guess what I'm saying is I'm finding this a little too slippery versus this one. I think it just gives you a nice little shine. I'm gonna have like 29 layers of lipstick, but I still have to give a shout out. I love these. They're just easy to wear, and lots of really lovely sheer kind of soft colors that I'm going to be investigating. One that I had in the past, I think it was called Duval or DeVille. Anyways, if you guys have any of your favorites, let me know. But I always, this is a repeat purchase. Okay, we are getting there. Just a few last little things as far as buttery lipsticks. I am still in love with these Marc Jacobs Enamored they're like lip gloss sticks, okay? And you guys, they are just so pretty. And I'm finding that these also are just a nice hybrid. I highly recommend them. And I have it in the Mauve Over Me, and then I also, of course, have it in Sugar Sugar. I just think these work perfect. And again, this Sugar Sugar, I've been wearing more often. So these are the two Marc Jacobs over here, Sugar Sugar, Mauve Over Me. And again, this is getting a little bit too, these getting a little dark with my trays. So I'm tending to go with a little lighter shades, which is kind of fun. And then two very last things, you guys. I also have these Chanel Jumbo crayons, and this is the La Rouge Crayon de Couleur, and this is in Au Naturel. So this is another one of these awesome kind of glossy, but have a little bit of control on the lips. And here is this color, and it's called Au Naturel. But as you can see, it gives you a nice, you can kind of see a little bit of shine here, but it also will grip the lips. So I'm really enjoying this, and it's great for someone with small lips because you can kind of use it as a lip liner as well. I think I would want to get a little bit lighter shade as well. And then very last thing, you guys, as far as my buttery kind of lipsticks, I love the Fresh, these are the Sugar lip treatments, and I have it in my beloved Honey, but you guys, it's a little destroyed. So this will be going bye-bye. I don't know exactly what happened to it, but it is just a really beautiful, buttery, gorgeousness lip balm. And then I also have a little cute one of Rose. And you guys, the reason I like these, again, they're buttery, but they're sheer. And so the color that you can get, you can kind of punch it up without too much color payoff. So here is Honey. It's just a warm, rich, nice, neutral. Here is Rose. And again, you guys, they have some beautiful, I think one of the reasons I like these, it's just like lip balm with just a little, it kind of tints the lip. So thus the reason it is a lip tint. Anyways, you guys, these are my favorite buttery moisturizing lipsticks. I hope that this was helpful for you guys that do not have Invisalign. And if you do have Invisalign, I would love to hear what your favorite kind of lipsticks that you're wearing to prevent that transfer to your trays. So as usual, I always love to hear your favorites. You guys are awesome. And thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with another video soon. Okay, have a great day.